Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I am so excited today because I'm trying out a brand new cup turner. Look how awesome this thing is. So this is from MH Turners. I will put the link to their Facebook and everything in the description. So many things exciting about this, I will tell you. So first of all, this is a magnetic arm. So it's super easy to take it on and off, and it's very stable and sturdy. That's the first thing. The next thing is that it has a little knob on the side over here, and it is adjustable. So if you're doing a project where you need it to go up or down, you can actually do that. It's so friggin' cool. I don't need that for this project, but like if you're working with alcohol ink or other things, you might want that function. I just have some foam in here. It's just a pool noodle that I kind of worked into there. One other cool thing too is I was looking on their website, and they have some of these that have, like, you can get as many arms as you want built into one of these for you. Awesome. So I'm going to have to get myself one that has, like, 4, 5, 6 arms. This is a vase that I did in a video I posted recently. If you did not see that, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. I love it. So now I'm just going ahead and sealing it with resin. And the epoxy I'm using is the Stone Coat Countertops epoxy. And this, I always seal my vases with resin because that makes them super durable. They can be hand washed or washed in the dishwasher even. I recommend hand washing them still, but if you wanted to, apparently there are people that do wash their vases in the dishwasher. I found out. Maybe it's just because I don't have a dishwasher. It never occurred to me, but so I'm just making sure I get everything completely covered with resin, including make sure that you get all along the lip very well. Don't forget to get the bottom, and let it rotate a bunch of times so you can watch and see, make sure that you didn't miss any spots. You can also always do more than one layer of resin if you wish, just to make it even more durable. This looks like it has pretty decent coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my torch to get rid of any air bubbles in the resin. Make sure it goes around fully. Oh, one more spot. And that's all there is to it. I leave it on the spinner until it is pretty much dry, if not completely dry. So I'll probably just leave this here overnight and let it fully dry. And then it's good to go. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to sand it, nothing. It's ready to go. So please check down in the description for a link to check out this awesome cup turner, and also the link to the video where I made this vase if you missed that. And I will see you all next time.